What are trading strategies? 90% of people lose money in trading, and the reason is not that the market is complicated. The reason is that they trade without a strategy. Successful traders use clear systems, and today I will show you the 5 most popular trading strategies used by traders around the world. One of them can completely change your trading. And the most interesting thing is that the last strategy is so simple that even large funds use it, but almost no one talks about it. To begin with, what is a trading strategy? This is a set of rules that answer 3 questions: when to enter a deal, when to exit, and how much to risk. Without these rules, trading turns into a casino, and that is why most beginners drain their deposit. Strategy 1. Scalping. The first strategy is scalping. This is the fastest trading style. The trader opens trades literally for a few seconds or minutes. The goal is to take a small price movement, but do it many times. Scalpers can open 20, 50, sometimes even 100 trades per day. This is a very dynamic style, but there is a problem. Scalping requires maximum concentration and very fast reaction. Strategy 2. Day trading. The next strategy is day trading. This is trading within one day. The trader opens a position and closes it by the end of the day. No night trades. This allows you to avoid night risks and news that can move the market sharply. Day traders work on time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, and usually use flat, trends, and indicators. Strategy 3. Swing trading. The third strategy is swing trading, and this is one of the most popular styles among traders. Why? Because here you don't have to sit at the chart all day. A deal can last several days, sometimes even weeks. The goal is to catch the average market movement. Swing traders analyze trends, levels, and graphic figures. Strategy 4. Trading with the trend. The fourth strategy is trading with the trend, and there is one famous phrase: trend is your friend. That is, the trend is your friend. If the market is growing, we are looking for purchases. If the market is falling, we are looking for sales. This is one of the oldest and most profitable strategies in trading. Even large hedge funds use it. Strategy 5. Trading from levels. And now, a strategy that is used by a huge number of traders: trading from support and resistance levels. The market very often reacts to certain price levels. This is where reversals occur. Support is the level where the price stops falling. Resistance is the level where the price stops growing, and traders use these zones to enter trades. The best strategy for beginners. And now, the most important question: which strategy should a beginner choose? To be honest, scalping and day trading can be very stressful. Therefore, to start, it is better to use trading on the trend or trading from levels. These strategies are simpler and clearer. The main secret of trading. And here is the main secret that most beginners do not understand. The problem is not in the strategy. Any strategy can work. The problem is in discipline. Even the best strategy will not help if you do not control risks. You trade with emotions. You constantly change the system. Conclusion plus CTA. Now you know the 5 most popular trading strategies, but the most important thing is to choose one and test it well. If this video was useful, please like it and write in the comments, what trading strategy do you use? And if you want, in the next video, I will show 3 simple strategies that even a beginner can use. Now you know the 5 most popular trading strategies, but the most important thing is to choose one and test it well. If this video was useful, please like it and write in the comments, what trading strategy do you use?